what it do, y'all? It's your girl, Latoya Lachey, back with another solo travel vlog on my way to DC to visit my bestie. Now, I was slow as hell, and I did not record no audio with these videos for some, so yeah, y'all about to get a lot of voiceover, but it is what it is. As I keep going, I'm just only gonna get better, but for now, this is what you're gonna get, okay? So bear with me. Y'all, look at that damn sunset. Like, that was so beautiful. It don't get no better than that.
2,000 years later.
This Georgia peach had officially touched down in DC. It was late as hell, like 10:30, damn near 11 o'clock. So I knew I wasn't going out, but y'all can enjoy this beautiful ride with me over to see my best friend. The city. Ooh, what's it? Child, something right here. Jesus. Do I take my shoes off?
Take them off.
Look at my bestie, people.
Stop.
Look at my bestie cooking dinner.
Hey y'all, it's
Everybody.
Taco Tuesday.
She's cooking a little late.
Shut up. Whoa!
Roses for my roses. It's hard, y'all. Pull it up. Pull it up. It's not moving.
It's gonna move. You can do it. It's all on camera. You gotta keep it too. You gotta keep it too.
It almost popped me in my eye.
Where the fucking court girl at? I didn't see it fly with that. It ain't even hand, that's for sure.
It went to the sink, I think.
I ain't even see it fly. That's your first time popping a bottle, opening a bottle? It's not going back in there.
I don't really drink champagne. It gives you a headache.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
All right. We have so many bottles of orange juice to choose from.
Ooh, we're gonna make a mimosa.
Mimosa? No, I don't want orange juice.
Y'all don't have to have orange juice. Y'all don't want orange juice?
No, I don't want orange juice.
Let me fuck that.
Yeah.
The orange juice make it worse.
Yeah.
She
do?
tripping.
The sugar?
Yes, girl.
All that extra sugar with this orange juice?
No, I need orange juice.
Too late at
Put
night.
the orange juice in.
I need that tartness. She right.
We're going out on my ass. Give me, huh?
You like your stones. You just cook fast and shit.
Hey, please, come on. What you doing? How many you want?
I would like 3, please.
One of these hard shivs.
I need the soft ones. Gross. Ooh, hot. All right, people. I just wanted to be a little hot.
Oh, this one getting real spicy. Now, how many you want?
What's that? You give me a sauce shit. You got a spoon for the cheese?
Make it work, baby.
For the,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the
Make it work, baby. Make it work.
Let me see that spoon.
Make it work. That's the black bean. You sure you ain't okay? Okay. You said one soft? Hit. Hot. Ooh, hot. Give me your sativa. Give me
I
your
already got the ground beef in it.
We outside.
I'm a photobomb now.
I have on summer clothes. And my bestie has on her work clothes.
Don't say work clothes. Don't tell them I just came from work.
She just came from work, guys, because
I did.
see, I hate doing this when I walk. Some child is in my way. She's gonna stand there.
Huh?
All right. So I'm currently in DC somewhere on some streets named later in this video.
Later.
Can't
You're at
name them.
L'Oreal Plaza, girl. This is
L'Oreal
a staple
Plaza.
in the city, honey.
Staple in the city. About to go find
It's a hot spot.
my future.
Wait, what?
My future is somewhere in L'Oreal.
That's all you need when you jump. Is this motherfucking drinking strong?
It's the pizza for me. Y'all. So this like, ooh, this shit hot. Yeah, this slice is heat. Ooh,
That's really hot.
look at the paper. Trying paper hot. Yo, I want to see if I can take a bite, but it's oh my god, so hot. Now look how big this piece is.
You gotta break it down.
No, I'm trying to eat the whole thing. It's too hot. Okay. Alright. I'm about to try to take a bite. Y'all, look how big this fucking piece is. Woo. It's too hot. No, it's really big.
You wanna see it?
Mm.
It goes like this.
Put that paper down. Don't drop it. For the biggest shit. Shit hot. It's so big. Oh my god. Drink number 2.
Faithful.
Okay, guys, so L'Oreal Plaza is lit.
Oh wait.
And these drinks.
You gotta put your seatbelt on, which you're never gonna do. Because safety is first, right?
I'll ride out here wild and free. Yo, I think these some high rides. Y'all wanna see?
It's another taco spot right here.
And
I'm on
in everything, you are in with me. It's the Chinese store. So I decided to catch Megabus to get to Philly. I don't know how this ride is going to go. We'll see. Anyway, I paid for a seat so that no one can sit next to me, and then no one can sit behind me because that's the stairs. I don't want people breathing on me, period. So, we'll just see how this ride goes. I will get to Philly in 3 hours. I am going to miss my bestie. We didn't get to do too much because I had to work and she had to work, so I'll be back. Until then, I'll talk to you guys later because I'm about to do a little work and then I'm gonna take a nap. I'm tired. Long day. Bye. Wait, y'all, so I'm gonna tell y'all how close I am sitting to the front of this damn bus. Like, why would I ever choose a seat this close? Like, I pray he don't got a jerk because I'm gonna go flying through the damn window. I'll just pray for safe travel and mercies because I'm a little scared. Just a little bit. Alright, talk soon. So today is Friday. It's about 6 o'clock p.m. Maybe 6:30, but I am on my way to go see my papa. So, you know, my papa is like my favorite person in the whole wide world. And I'm excited because I have not been home since October. So yeah, I'm excited. Get on this elevator, and then after this, still gotta go get some drinks, okay? But y'all wanna see my papa? There he is. Hey, Papa. Oh, where's hot drinks though? Guys, I am so excited right now to get a drink that comes out of a little spigot. That is so good. It's called a French vanilla cappuccino. Is it healthy for you? Probably not. French vanilla cappuccino, courtesy of Wawa at approximately, I don't even know what time it is right now, y'all. I think it's like midnight. I don't know what to get, guys. Good morning or afternoon, y'all. What's up? It is Saturday, April 16th. I am looking crazy. Y'all see, like, my face looks so gross. Anyhow, I'm getting ready to meet up with my friends. Downtown Philly. So we're about to go to this place called Reading Terminal. So it's literally like eatery slash farmer's market, where you can literally get a whole smorgasbord of bullshit for real. So I am tired. I have like cramps that are kicking my ass. Okay, I just cannot deal right now. Haven't done too much since I've been here. Went to go eat yesterday. Met up with somebody I used to go to college with. That was kind of dope. Definitely haven't seen them in a long time, but I'm tired for real today. It's not like I'm tired. I think it's more so like my cramps is killing me. I just really want to just lay back down. But just took some ibuprofen. We not about to let this stuff beat me because I'm trying to be outside, okay? It's like 72 degrees, I think. I'm trying to be outside. First of all, I need a new toothpaste. This is real ghetto. I hate this for me. Sorry, guys. That's so gross. My allergies are screwing up right now. I'm over it. I'm definitely going to try to, like, be more consistent with trying to turn my camera on. As y'all can see from my channel, this is only, like, my second actual video. So I'm trying to get better. You know, I gotta get on a ball. I'm just not used to always trying to turn the camera on all the time. But, you know, I know that with time, sorry, I do not. So this is ghetto. So I have these, like the facial toners, but I do not, obviously I am on vacation, sort of, but I do not have, the little sponges or whatever. So I gotta be ghetto and put it on my hands to get it on my face, but whatever. Whatever gets the job done. And of course, my face moisturizer is not in here. But I'm still excited to see my friends and also eat a bunch of BS that I don't need to eat. Now when I tell y'all, when I get home, y'all gonna think this is a workout vlog, because when I tell you I got to make sure, and I want y'all to hold me to it, put it in the comments like, girl, did you go to the gym? Like, real shit, I am going to be making sure my ass is in the gym, because bitch is already, you know, I'm up there in some pounds. Okay, you see these arms? Period. Am I ashamed? Absolutely not. Yes. If you check out my Instagram, that I will link in the description below.
So the Home 2 Suites is right here.
Okay.
And Reading Terminal Market, the entrance is right here. You have several entrances on this side.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, have a nice time.
You too.
All right, take care.
Thank you. All right, I am downtown waiting on my friends. I have absolutely no idea as to where they are, and my lash was like, it's about to pop off. But anyway, it's so nice out here today. It's like such a beautiful day outside. Philadelphia. I swear, I feel like my lash is gonna come off. I am convinced. I probably should put my AirPods on so y'all can hear me really good. But hopefully y'all can, because I got a microphone, but every time I try to hook it up, it don't work. It does not work. I think it makes the phone too heavy, and then it keeps saying like it's unbalanced, so can't use that. But hopefully my friends have found parking, because I'm hungry. I'm about to get some good food and run into terminal. They have donuts, pretzels, everything, so it's what it is. Hello, ladies.
How you feeling,
I know I like the blonde. I like the blonde all summer 22.
Hello.
Right. Please be sure. Guys, we are heading into the Reading Terminal. Just go in. Wait, I don't know where she's going. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, she did this where she wanted to go. I forgot to say that. Guys, I literally want everything. I can't figure out what I want. There's it's my friend Tisha, everybody. We are trying to find some food, but I think I want the chicken. Maybe somebody will let me cut the line. Ooh, the Miller, the pretzel place. That's my dessert. I think I want chicken. Yeah, that chicken looks good. I don't know whether I should think about that or not anymore. I think I want chicken though. Y'all want to see the meat? I am getting pretzels from Miller's. I got pretzels. That's how far you get? A little bit closer. This line is long. Alright, so I am at called Bueller's. I don't know if y'all can see the sign, but it is called Bueller's. So they make like all of these donuts. So I will be sure to show you guys in my video, but it's supposed to be good. The line is moving, so I hope that it doesn't take forever.
The barbecue smells good, isn't it? That's right there.
I'm excited for my donut. Delicious. So I don't know what kind I'm gonna get. They have a harvest apple, caramel apple. They have regular glaze. They have Oreo cream. I don't really know what that is. I'm assuming they might have something in the inside. French crullers. Oh no. I think I'm going to get 6 and then figure it out after that. I have my tuna. I have no idea how these donuts are about to taste, but we are going to find out at some point, but that point will not be right now or today because I didn't even finish the food I just got, so I don't know, but we're gonna have to see how these donuts are. It is very crowded in here, super crowded, too much, but we got donuts, so hopefully we're good. So I am back at my friend's house, actually getting ready to go to bed. Obviously, as you guys can see from me putting my hair up, excuse my little bees in the back, but I had so much fun with my friends tonight. Like, honestly, sorry, I know it's moving, but I did not feel like plugging it back up. My bad. I'm tired. I'm about to go to sleep. But I really had so much fun with my friends. Like, it's so different. Like, talking to them all the time, back on the phone, like, whatever, and then being home. So, bowling was lit. I came in third place twice, 3 out of 5 people. I came in third place. So, as long as I didn't come last, I'm lit. Period. But it was fun. Tomorrow is Easter. It's my pop-pop's birthday. I wanted to take him out, but he's being a drag, so won't be taking him out. But we are going to not do anything, actually. I'm gonna try to get him something to eat, and that's it. So I don't know. I don't know, but yeah, so it should be fun. Tomorrow. Sorry, y'all. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. But a great Saturday nonetheless. See y'all later. It's my pop-up's birthday. I really love him, y'all. So you may be wondering what he's pulling out the bags. For his birthday, he asked me for Georgia pecans. My pop-up is very simple. I can literally give him like a bag and it would be like the best present in the whole wide world. So he asked me for Georgia pecans. So before I left, I ran around to 7 zillion places looking for Georgia pecans so that he can get what he wanted.
Not since they don't stop. Stop what you call them.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You gotta pay for that.
Boy.
2,000 years later.
Abuelagata with Colleen's.
Hey.
AC, it's cold. Thought my wig was gonna fall off. Look at the hotel.